This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop with another shop tip. In order to cut a real sharp curve on your bandsaw, you can round over the back edge of the blade, and I'll show you how I do that. I start with a stone, and I prefer one that is on a wooden handle, makes it easy to hold. And I like to add just a little bit of oil, and I prefer just to smear it around a little bit with my finger. And now I'm going to turn on and round over the back of the blade. And that's all there is to it. It takes a very, very light touch, and that rounds over the back corner of the blade so you can get a tighter radius. This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop reminding you, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.